Hello, welcome to week 2 of learning. Welcome back. This week, we are going to dive a little bit deeper into equations. On Monday and Tuesday, we're going to solve equations with rational coefficients, and then have a quiz on Wednesday. Wednesday's quiz will include only equations, but you need to know the information on operations on integers in order to be successful on the quiz. So make sure you go back and study all of week 1's material too, in addition to Monday and Tuesday's material on solving equations with rational coefficients. So Wednesday's the quiz, and on Thursday and Friday, we're going to learn about how to solve two-step equations. So now, as you go through all of these lessons, keep in mind that some of them are multiple parts. So just keep that in mind as you watch the videos. They're only a few minutes a piece, but if it says part 1 of 2, make sure you watch part 2 of 2. Have a great week.